Alright guys, same day a review of this Hardbite. These are handcrafted. As you can see, this was on sale. They use avocado oil. But if you look here, it's smoked paprika garlic flavor, so that was kind of neat. And you get in the health section in your grocery store. You can read the ingredients, pause the video. Right there. And here's the nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up and do a quick taste test. Alright, so let's do a quick taste test here. That's what they look like. So it has a hint of like, it has a nice aroma to it. And like a smoky taste to it. And it's not overly salty or anything. Actually pretty good. Definitely check it out guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.